So today we will be unboxing again a portable Bluetooth speaker. It's a JBL. Binili ko siya sa SM Appliance. Ito siya. And ang bili ko sa kanya is 1,295. So, ito yon. So, 1,295 pesos ang bili ko sa kanya. So, let's open it. So, ito siya. Oh. Buksan na natin yung box. And then, actually, maliit lang siya. Ganyan lang siya, oh. So, let's see. Let's see the different parts. So, ang nasa loob ng box ay ito. Muna pala. And then, ito yung manual. Ang kasama sa loob is the charging cable. Ito siya. Actually, wala siyang charger talaga na kasama. It's just a cable. Pero, you can use any charger naman na may USB port. So, and also, kasama dun sa box na maliit is the manual. So, let's open it. Ito siya. So, let's put aside all the boxes. And, so, ito na nga. Let's see the different parts of this Bluetooth speaker. Ayan siya. It's a JBL Harman Go2. It's very portable. So, what's in the box is, of course, the speaker itself and the charging cable. And then, these are the different buttons of this speaker. So, we have here the power button, the Bluetooth button, the negative and the positive sign, in which you can use this to increase or to lower the volume of the speaker. And also there is a play button here. Okay, so those are the different buttons. And we have here the different connections. So these are the connections. So yun siya, you know. Yan. So that's it. And here is the different connection buttons. So we have here the charging port, in which you can use this one when charging, and there is a circle port here in which you can hook let's say a headset or any device to connect this speaker. And it has a covering, it has a lid in here. So, and what else? So, eto siya. Upon opening this, let's open it. This is the power button. As you can see, you can hear a sound. So, that's a signal na nag-on na yung Bluetooth speaker natin. And then, and this is the Bluetooth. So, to Bluetooth, to connect this, to connect in here, you need to press this one. So, it will start pairing. And when you want to play the music, you can just play it here. Okay. So, and also you can use this speaker during calls. So you can use this if you want a hands-free call. When you connect your phone in here, let's say may tumawag sa'yo and then you want a hands-free call, pwede kang makipag-usap using this portable Bluetooth speaker. So these are the indicator, the LED indicator. When the light here, showing the light here, and of course, there is a stable light in here because I have already connected it and paired it to my laptop. So this light is already naka-white siya and it's not blinking anymore. But if the light daw is slow blinking, it is not yet connected. And if that's it. If the light is fast blinking, it's on the pairing mode. And when you are connected, the light is on a stable white. So like this one. Naka-stable na siya and it's not blinking. So ibig sabihin, it's already paired and connected. And when the light is on red and blinking, it means that the battery of the speaker is low na and you need to recharge it. And also, when you are charging it, it's on the red light. So when you are charging, this one will be red. It means that you are charging, okay? So those are the different parts of my Bluetooth speaker. And there is warning here. This Bluetooth speaker daw is a waterproof or water resistant. Which means, kahit mo daw ihulog siya sa tubig hanggang 1 meter depth, ay hindi siya masisira as long as close po lahat ng mga ito. The lid is tightly closed and hindi siya mapapasok talaga ng water kahit pa naka-soak siya sa 1 meter na water. But, during charging, pag nag-charge ka daw, hindi daw dapat mababasa. Kasi nga naman, syempre magkakaroon ng electric shock. So, avoid the water when you are charging this. And when it's connected to, like, connected using cable to any gadgets or laptop. So, yun lang. And let's try using this Bluetooth speaker. Since I have already connected it to my laptop, let's play some music. Let's try if it's okay. The volume is very low, so I will increase the volume. See? It's very nice. Very small siya, yet ang lakas ng sounds niya, ang lakas ng bass, maganda, buo, hindi siya basag, and worth naman. JBL.
DJ is on the mix.
Let's try love songs. So yun guys, ang ganda ng sounds niya and magandang bass. Kahit maliit, sobrang napakaliit siya kung titingnan mo. It's powerful yet. And let's try playing another music. See? It has a good sound.
Why is that sad look in your eyes? Why are you crying? Tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down.
Hey.
Is it your heart? Ooh, that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry.
So yon, as you can hear naman guys, it's really good. And as paying 1,295, worth it naman. So, JBL, thank you. I love it. Thank you guys for watching and wait for my another unboxing videos. There's a lot more that you can watch. Thank you, God bless, bye bye.